This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Market Talk YouTube channel. Hope it was a profitable trading day. It was a very good trading day. Don't bother if you're not juiced out the entire market move. If you made profit today, you should be happy about that. So this is the mantra for us. As a trader, you don't bother like I have to take the entire juice of the trade. That is not important actually. Whether you're profitable or not is important. Once you become consistent, then you can make big time. So before moving into the today's view, let us see what is the disclaimer. So the views presented here is my personal opinion. Any loss incurred by you by taking trades based on my view, I am not responsible. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any trades. Let's see in the charts today what happened. So let us see the first is the basic thing chart, daily chart. If you see the Reliance at exactly the border case. Now once you break 2000 level, then the real game will start. But it's not going to be so easy. We will not be coming down so easily below 2000. Definitely pull and pull push will be there happening around to this level, and then only we'll see a down move. But as of now, definitely it's a crucial level now for Reliance. In case of Nifty, still if you see here, we're not broken this mother candle. This mother candle which is low is 11,661. In spite of all these moves or ups and downs over last 7 trading days, including today, still we're not broken the low or high. So it's a completely whipsaw game. Once we break this, then the real game will start to fill this 11,340 gap. This gap will get filled. Okay. So then next let us see the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty here also this gap will get filled sooner or later in this expiry possibly. Okay. So definitely wait for the opportunity. We are going to get this gap filled in the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is definitely stronger as compared to Nifty in the daily charts. Let's see the what is the trades we given today and how to trade it. I given two things: 24,000 put and 24,500 call to short. Correct? I mentioned short. See 24,500 call. What happened? Let us see. Here, if you see here, around 350 levels. Like this is the rate. No, around this is the place. Okay, around 350 I shorted here. Okay, this is a place. This is a place where I shorted. If you see here, we are not crossed above the mid downtrend channel, and then after that there is no whipsaw at all. There is no bicycle at all. Below the downtrend channel only we traded. So it is a clear sell signal. Now coming to 24,000 put. What happened? 24,000 put I shorted 235. Okay, this is a place around I shorted here. Now the stop loss for this is what? Previous day high. Okay, this is a place 260. Since you shorted both call and put, then we can keep a stop loss slightly higher, around say 275 also we can keep. Okay, after the because when the price crosses the previous day high, then definitely it is not a holding short. We should clear it around 275. So that way we'll be incurring 40 points loss. And then where it went all the way to 440. See, I'm not giving the buy, sell, whatever I have to do each and every trade. I'm not mentioning it Telegram because I'm explaining everything in the YouTube channel. And then do everyday videos, when to buy, when to sell, what are trades. Because I'm making you self-dependent. If I tell you like this buy this at this rate, sell this at rate, then you don't become a proper full professional trader. I given this signal indication, that's it. One indication I gave you, then after that you have to take the trades on your own. Because that's objective of following for the people who are following this channel. Now after this 24,000 put, what happened? It went all the way here around 450 levels, 440, 450 levels. Then here we got sell signal around 400 levels. After sell signal 400, what happened here? We went all the way to 280. So this simple process setup will help you in getting the trades very easily and no need for any other janjat also. Okay, follow one system, anything you may use this one or any else, BWAP or volume profile, anything you can try, but you have to follow one simple process and then take the trades. End of the day, if you can make some 50 to 100 points in a day, you should be happy about that. Okay, so let us see the Ichimoku cloud setup. Ichimoku cloud here, this is the support now 11,400. We should test the 11,400, possibly the expiry, because definitely the Nifty is becoming weak with Reliance losing all the hopes. So wait for the opportunity. Every day take intraday trades and sell all the calls on rise. That's the best way to trade because of because VIX also is increasing. Because FIs is still not becoming net shorts actually. Okay, once they become net shorts, then that time we can go for positional shorts at buying puts. Till the time suddenly they can reverse also the positions because they don't allow the clients to make money so easily. Now coming to the Bank Nifty, we have very good support here, Tenkan-sen here support, and then the cloud. If you see the future cloud is still not green, is still green only, and we have support on 23,000 levels here. Now the opportunities of shorting the call option, put option, no, on raise and sell. That's the best intraday you can take. If you see here, if you shorted here 400 levels, this 24,000 put, you made some 100 points here. And similarly, if you say 24,500 call, you shorted here this level, then you make some 100 points here. That's the way you take trades. 400 points dip is there. Don't expect that entire 400 points you take. 200 points dip you have taken, 200 points gain, and then you just make 2 lots. Just 2 lots is more sufficient. You make 10,000 rupees easily. Okay, that's the way you think and take the trades. Okay, now let us see the second setup. Okay, even the hourly charts, if you see Nifty, we have broken trend line here, and definitely it is now we just come down below this breakout level. Downside it is breakout level. We just down below this. Now once we don't cross sustain above 11,800, then we should see 11,600 levels very quickly. It's not a far away target. Let us see the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty, everybody is expecting around 25,000 levels, but it's not that such a big problem that swing low is broken. We just made a lower high and then lower high. Then unless we make a lower low, which is around 22,800 levels, once we break this low, then only we should be concerned about the Bank Nifty. Till the time, I keep shorting the call options, and then option pain also is around 24,000 only still. So nothing to worry actually. Let us go to the second chart, Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band, we got a very good support for Nifty at 20-day moving average. So once we break this, then we can see a testing of the lower Bollinger Band, 11,200. So just wait for this 20-day moving average support to be broken tomorrow if it comes. I don't think we'll break 24th this moving average so easily. Maybe if we can see gap down and then we can come up also possibly. It all depends on the reliance. Coming to the Bank Nifty, we have a lot of gap available for breaking 20-day moving average, which is around 23,300. So we just wait for the opportunity. This gap to be filled. Possibly we can fill this gap tomorrow. We not got any sell signal from our own indicator still now. As of now, it is not a positional sell signal. Okay, just it's a we can consider it as a correction. And then we go to the third setup. Heikin-Ashi now we got one red bar because normally if you see here after several green bars we get one or two red bars is normal. Now unless we get a red bar continuously going breaking this position short will not get triggered. And here also we just about to get a sell signal here because VIX also, like if you see ADX also is around 21 levels. ADX need to go about 25 levels. It is just coming down actually. And in case of Bank Nifty, only one red signal, red candle formed, and still we're not yet to get a sell signal here. Everything is a correction intraday moves, whatever is there. Don't think for gaining the entire 1,000 points, 2,000 points move, whatever is there. At least try to get 100 points, 150 points in intraday basis. That's the best thing to do. If you take 100 points in a day, then 20 trading days, then easy you can get 2,000 points whether the movement is coming or not. Okay, that's the way option trading happens actually. Then go to the fourth setup, 5-day moving average. So today if you Nifty if you see, we just close below the 5-day low, which is around 11,790 to 5-day low EMA, and now we closed just 30 points below that. And in case of Bank Nifty, 25-day low EMA is 23,900, around 24,000. We closed slightly below. Okay, now slightly above that actually. So positionally, it is not a position sell for Bank Nifty, but definitely selling call option is a good opportunity to make money on the intraday basis. Because now VIX will start going up. Everything is happening based on the elections outcome. What will be happening in the US elections? Let's go to the key data. So in case of key data here, definitely is becoming oversold. Bank Nifty is 0.66 PCR. It's highly oversold. Maybe possibly maximum it can go to 0.6 worst cases basis. Otherwise, it will not go more beyond that. So definitely don't try to short at this level for Bank Nifty particularly. It will be a risky proportion. And Nifty at 0.85 definitely is weak, both considering the PCR. And in case of open interest, participant is open interest, FIS has cut down the position by almost like 8,000 contracts, and they increased, they cut down the long put also by 8,000 contracts here. And in case of client, if you see, they increased their shorts actually. FIS definitely will not allow the clients to make money and making money by shorting the positions before they make money. Okay, so it will be trapping most of times I feel, because everybody is bearish, bearish, bearish. They will try to make one more move before making some down moves, big down moves anytime. Possibly this weekend, this expiry, or on Friday, there is some good down move expected. As is from Astro view, there is no negatives as of now much available as such. So in case of open interest, highest open interest, if you see, 25,000 call and then 24,500 call. This is what the highest open interest here. So this is what you have to keep a note, 24,500 call. And in case of highest open interest, 24,000 put. This is what you have to keep a tab for tomorrow. Now this Nifty, in case of Nifty, it is a 12,000 call is the highest open interest. If you see, 11,900 is a very low, 13 lakhs only. So not much of the option trading happening. Also calls actually near the at the money options. And in case of put option, 11,500 is there, 30 lakhs, and 10,500 put is there, 37 lakhs. So 11,500 put is happening here, 30 lakhs, and 11,700 put is happening, 25 lakhs. Not much of happening in the at the money also. So Nifty is little tricky now. Don't try to buy options overnight, because VIX was increasing now. We'll get an opportunity tomorrow or on the Wednesday. Whenever option buying you want to do, try it only on Wednesday and Thursday. It's a very good time. You get options at very lower price and good return. Other times you buy, you will get trapped. Then coming to the Lakshman Rekha. So Lakshman Rekha, still we are in the bullish mode only. 1,000 points up from the Lakshman Rekha, and Nifty 130 points. But weekly midpoint, we are in sell mode. Now we are down 224 points below the midpoint. So in case we are sustaining 24,333 tomorrow in the futures, then we have to square off your short positions. And then here, in case of weekly midpoint, then we have still 114 points. Unless we go above 11,892 or 11,900, still the time we have to hold our shorts who are following strictly this weekly midpoint positions. Don't try to follow this on both everything, because short-term people who are trading in the weekly options should follow this strictly. That's it. Entering with one strategy and exiting with other strategy is a confusing strategy. Never do that. I'm giving various strategies because somebody will be happy with some strategy. Not everybody will be happy with all the strategies. So always remember, when you enter with one strategy, exit that strategy only. Don't enter with other one strategy and exit other strategy. That will never work. And unwantedly, you will end up in mess. These are all very, very small rules, but very powerful rules. For example, you are entering a strategy, straddle, long straddle. Okay, what many people do is, okay, whatever the profitable position they'll exit, and then losing position they don't exit, and then expect that losing position they'll make money. What happens that losing position will increase the losing position. So never do that actually. Coming to the levels for tomorrow, 24,500, roughly 24,500 is the long breakout, and 23,700 is the short breakout level. And for this all futures level. And for Nifty future, 11,650 and 11,900. This is the level for Nifty, long breakout, short breakout. And I'll just show the dashboard also. Like morning, I'm mentioning about that. This is the levels I mentioned. Everything is in red now. Tomorrow, like first thing is that whether you are able to see about the BWAP is the first trigger you will get mostly. And then 30 minutes breakout also. Like if you see today, what happened here, we gained 70 points below the BWAP. And then we gained almost 230 points below 30-minute breakout level. So there are different strategies you can follow. Morning also mentioned about that Nifty is going below the short breakout. Once we went below short breakout, 100 points we gained in the Nifty, and we went below previous low also. Then we went below midpoint, today's midpoint. Then we went below the yesterday's midpoint also. So these are various triggers, one by one will get triggered one by one. It's not that market immediately will go below this selling position, bearish mode. One by one will start triggering, and then we enter into full swing mode. And also I mentioned the PCR for both should go below 1. That's the time market will accelerate the position on that side actually. So today what happened morning, the PCR was almost like 1.1 for Nifty. Slowly it moved below 1 gradually and went below 1 actually. Okay, this way how the market is trapping each and every one. And in case of open interest also, morning around, if you see in the morning, first top 5 open interest change was almost put option was there. After that, next 5 was a call option. After almost like 12 o'clock, everything went to green actually. Everything, all the top open interest change was call options only. Here also, entire thing was call options. So you have to track this also. So I mentioned, keep mentioning that as an option trader, you need to clearly track, because certain traders do on the basis of visualization, market opinion, view, and so everything will be working out in the brain. Okay, but certain traders we need some numbers. Okay, what numbers I have to take a trade, how to take trade, because everybody is not a born trader. If you want to become like a proper trader, full-fledged trader, you need to track certain data points during the market time. So these are the market points you have to keep tab. Don't forget, I'm just giving you everything also. Like you have to track the PCR, you have to track the VWP, you have to track 30 minutes breakout level, long breakout, short breakout level, PDL. PDL, we are trading about previous day high, previous day low. And then what is induced strike price PCR? Now, if you see 2400, PCR is 1.32. Now, tomorrow 24,200 is what you have to track, where it is a 0.56. If you don't track tomorrow, most probably like we should see the 24 200 call will come down. Currently it's trading 320. I don't see that will be keep going down. We'll make some move up and then only will come down. We have enough cushion actually, because we have almost another 3 days to expiry. A lot of volatility moves expected, and option pain is around 24,000. Still it's 24,000 only. So Bank Nifty, some good swing on upside is expected. Don't short at this, because PCR at 0.6 is highly oversold. And Nifty, Reliance can give some surprise moves also possibly, because 11,750 is the currently max pain is there. Possibly we can go to 11,700 and then bounce back also on the upside. Let's go to the data points. We'll go to the midpoint chart. So here the swing low is earlier swing low for Nifty is 11,736. If you don't break, and then we can see some swing, it will be higher low. So unless we break the swing low of 11,736 in the midpoint, we can be continuously holding our positions short the calls on the everyday rise. That is the best thing. And in case of Bank Nifty, still we are yet to break this swing low. However, the swing low is broken, 24,584 is broken. Now if you don't break 24,584, we can hold your short positions with the stop loss of 24,584 midpoint. Okay, now coming to the PCR, now it has become highly oversold. You can see here highly oversold here. This is what I've been telling. So cautious on the Bank Nifty shorts we are holding. And the Nifty also, if you see here, considerable, definitely relatively it's highly oversold. Not actually it is oversold, we can tell relatively oversold, because never went below this level. So coming to the volatility levels, okay, this one is 11,750. okay, 11,750 is the option pain, and then here 24,000 is the option pair for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty PCR is 2.05. okay, definitely it has come from 1.9 levels, and now tomorrow expected high 24,600, 24,500. That's the range you have to be cautious, and the low is 20,000, 23,500, 1,000 points range, and 11,582 and 11,975 is the range. I don't see 11,582 and all will come tomorrow, but however tomorrow good trending days expected actually. Be cautious. In once we saw tomorrow's breaking the previous day high, then good momentum can happen on the upside. Okay, keep a close tab on that. And that's what I want to tell you. Okay, and let us see. Okay, the charts you have seen. Okay, that's it. I think tomorrow you have to keep a tab on 24,000 put. 24,000 put. If somebody has incurred some loss in 24,000 put, then they should look for shorting this and get the opportunity, because I don't see we should go on the upside. We'll be able to see some good down move here and coming back to 200 levels also. And then if you get opportunity 24,000 put again tomorrow, gap up or something, then we should look for shorting opportunity in the puts option. And in case 24,500 is there, 24,400 call, we could look for the shorting opportunity. In case of any rise, we could go all the way to here around 300 maximum level. That's it. After that, we should be keep seeing, because the swing low is formed here, the swing high here 3531, then another 443 swing high, then most probably the swing high will happen here. Even you can try the Fibonacci retracements also. What you do here, just try here Fibonacci retracement from here, starting from here. What is the retracement level? Okay, now retracement level is around 16.8%, is almost 350. So 350 we can see rise up to 350 levels maximum. Okay, so this way you can use the Fibonacci retracement in the this Renko bar setup. You can see what is expected rise can come actually. Okay, so hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like the channel, so that I can come with you new ideas and new chart setups. Thank you so much. Have a profitable trading day.